All right, so a little bit about how our cannons work, for those of you who've never seen one of our cannons work. Basically, it's pneumatic. Customer does all the work. So basically, we have a trigger and we have a plunger. So each cannon has a safety switch built in. It also has a green LED light, lets you know when everything's ready to fire. Push that back to load, green light comes on, meaning the cannon's ready to fire. As soon as the lever goes forward, it opens the valve in the drop-in. And as soon as that's open, the green light's off. Open, cannon will not fire until it comes back and makes contact with the safety switch. Works real nice. Somebody had a jam or something in there and that valve's open, you never have to worry about it being able to fire. It will not fire as long as that thing's open. So it has to come back and make contact. It is spring loaded, so every time you do it, it comes back automatically. You don't have to pull it back. Spring returns the lever every time. Basically, what we tell the customer is, customer takes the apple, drops it in the feed tube, pushes the plunger, loads the apple, cannon's ready to fire. Aim, pull the trigger. Let me hop up here and I'll show you how easy they are to load. It's a breech load system. So basically all you're doing is taking your pumpkin, dropping it in the breech, sliding it in, close the breech. Reach over, lock the lever. This is an old style. On the new style, everything can be done from one side, so you don't have to walk back and forth from side to side. And basically, we'll hop down here and shoot one for you. I'm going to just point that where it's headed. So basically with this, we have to release pressure on one side of the pneumatic so it opens a little bit quicker. But once we release it, all we do is hit the lever. Out comes the pumpkin. Hi folks, this is one more thing we built this past season, and I think we may look at building this for some other farms if they're so interested. This is a stationary rat roller. Here in Michigan, at least at our farm, we have no flat ground. So, you know, the rat rollers you may see at some farms where they actually move wasn't an option for us, but we like the concept, so we wanted something that we could get the same feel, but not have to move. So basically it's a 60-inch culvert and sits on rollers, runs on 4.5 inch bearings, and basically all you do is get in, start walking, and it's all people powered. You do all the work.
Very good.